Here our sixth sem paper industrial microbiology is there, and it is having the paper number 15A. This carries 50 marks. There are 4 units. Number 1, that is definition and scope of industrial microbiology. In this there are 5 points we have to study. First, introduction, definition, scope and development of industrial microbiology. Second, that is role of microbiologist in industrial microbiology. Bioreactor, in this definition, ideal design and characteristics, working of auxiliary equipment. Fourth point, this is the types of fermenters. In this, laboratory fermenter, pilot plant fermenter, industrial fermenter, hot and sphere fermenter, batch fermenter, continuous fermenter, tubular fermenter, fed batch, fluidized bed reactor, tower fermenter, we have to study in brief. Next one, that is computer application in fermentation technology. This is the first unit. Now the second unit, this is microbes in industrial microbiology. There are again 4 points. First point, introduction, screening techniques. In this primary and secondary screening we have to study. Next point, strain improvement. Third point, stock culture and its maintenance. Various stock cultures we have to study. Cereal subculture, overlaying with mineral oil, lyophilization, liquid nitrogen, soil stock. Next one, inoculum development. Then fermentation media. And in these substances used as raw materials for the formulation of fermentation media and its sterilization in continuous and batch fermentation. Continuous and batch sterilization we have to study. Third unit, downstream processing. In this, introduction, extraction of fermentation products, solids which are insoluble, these are removed by the different methods: filtration, centrifugation, coagulation and flocculation, and foam fractionation. Next point, primary isolation of product. In this, cell disruption, liquid extraction, ion exchange and adsorption, precipitation. Third point, purification of the product by chromatography, carbon decolorization, crystallization, product isolation by crystalline processing, drying, packaging, etc. These are the points in case of unit 3, downstream processing. Then fourth point, now the unit 4, typical fermentative production, and in this the various fermentations we have to study, and for each we have to study production strain, fermentation media, fermentation conditions, metabolic pathway involved in synthesis of the product, product recovery operations, and the use of the different fermentations, as in the beverages, wine fermentation, in the organic acid production, citric acid, in antibiotics, penicillin, in the biofertilizers, legume inoculants, in the bioinsecticide, thuricide, amino acids, glutamic acid, and in enzymes, fungal amylase. These are the fermentations, and each fermentation we have to study the points as production strain, fermentation media, fermentation conditions, metabolic pathway involved in the synthesis of the product, product recovery operations and uses we have to study. In this is the industrial microbiology paper, 15th A paper it is there, and 4 units we have to study.